about pergolas. 1. The word pergola comes from the Latin word pergola, which means trellis. 2. Pergolas were first used in ancient Greece and Rome. 3. Pergolas were often used as walkways or shade structures in gardens. 4. The most common type of pergola is a freestanding structure with a roof made of latticework. 5. Pergolas can be made from a variety of materials, including wood, metal, and concrete. 6. Pergolas can be covered with vines or other plants to create a shady oasis. 7. Pergolas can be used for a variety of purposes, including dining, entertaining, and relaxing. 8. Pergolas can add value to your home. 9. Pergolas are a great way to connect with nature. 10. Pergolas are a timeless and elegant addition to any home.